Lemon law. You might normally use the word lemon to describe a sour yellow fruit used in cooking. In consumer protection contexts, however, the slang term refers exclusively to a specific type of legally defective product. A lemon law is a powerful consumer protection statute providing a strict legal remedy for buyers who accidentally purchase severely defective motor vehicles. Depending on the state or country, these crucial laws are also formally known as defective vehicle statutes or new car consumer warranty protections. Purchasing a brand new car is an incredibly major financial investment for any family. Occasionally, a seemingly perfect vehicle has major, completely unfixable mechanical flaws straight from the manufacturing factory. Lemon laws exist widely across the US, with extremely strong equivalents actively present in Australian and European consumer law frameworks. They legally mandate that if an automotive manufacturer cannot successfully repair a substantial defect after several reasonable attempts, they must permanently compensate the buyer. This critical defect must seriously impair the vehicle's safety, usability, or overall financial value. The legally required compensation usually involves a full financial cash refund or a completely comparable replacement vehicle. For example, a man excitedly buys a brand new luxury sedan from a local dealership. Within a single month, the automatic transmission completely and inexplicably fails. He faithfully returns the vehicle to the mechanics 4 separate times, but they absolutely cannot fix the complicated issue permanently. Because the dangerous defect makes the car totally unsafe to drive on the highway, the frustrated buyer legally invokes his state's lemon law. The manufacturer is then legally compelled to immediately take the defective car back and promptly issue a full cash refund.